Welcome. In this video we're going to talk about how to do area calculations. The area formula is 1/2 AB sine C, or these two other variations of it depending on the angle that you have. They're all the same formula, they're just written from perspective of each of the different angles. And this formula works best when you have an SAS triangle, because then you don't have to solve for anything. They actually give you the two sides that you need and the angle that you need. And the other formula that we have for area is Heron's Rule. And with Heron's Rule, it works best with SSS because you need three sides in order to calculate this. So you would calculate this imaginary side with this 1/2 the sum of the sides, and then just plug it into the area formula. Make sure that you have the square root, and then inside is S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. It's really just plug and chug. Now, if you've completed the triangle and you have angles and sides, then it's up to you which formula you want to use to calculate the area. They will both give you the same area calculation. It's just that if you don't want to calculate anything and all you need is the area, then for SAS, I would use this. For SSS, I would use this one. Alright, this is an example of find the area, and they gave you an angle and they gave you two sides. Well, this is SAS because the two sides don't correspond to the angle. Alright, remember when we have SAS, we're going to use this formula. So which one are we going to use? Well, we have angle C, so we're going to use this form of the equation. Okay. So we know that the area is equal to 1/2 AB sine C, sine angle C. So 1/2 A being 7, B being 10, and then the sine of 108. And then you would type this into the calculator, and you would get that the area is 33.3. And if these were in inches, right, because they're lengths, then this would be inch squared. Right? Alright, this is an example of using Heron's Rule because they want the area and they've given you three sides. So this is an SSS triangle, so Heron's Rule is a lot better for SSS. So the first thing we would do is we would solve the imaginary S, or the imaginary side. And that's equal to 1/2 times 45 plus 51 plus 38. And we're going to type this into the calculator. And we're going to get that this is equal to 67. And then we're going to use the definition of the area. S times S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And this will be 67 minus 45. Minus 51 minus 38, and you would type this into the calculator, and I recommend that you would take out your calculator and go ahead and plug it in and make sure that you're able to get 827. Once again, if I were to tell you that these units were meters, then your answer would be in meters squared because it's an area.